Dear students of academics and competitive exams of English, today in this English version lecture 1 part 1, I am going to teach simple sentences by using adverb or adverb phrase. Students, this term is based on three words. First is simple, second is adverb, and third is adverb phrase. Now let's begin again with simple sentence. Students, simple sentence is a sentence in which you use only one subject and predicate, and you are going to synthesize different sentences into one simple sentence. That's why you will have to identify in each sentence where there is a verb. And students, if you have three sentences, three full stops, definitely there will be three main verbs. Now while we make two or more sentences in a simple sentence, we have to change their verbs into various forms, and today our topic is adverb and adverb phrase. Now our second part will be what is adverb and what is adverb phrase. Before we simplify, before we synthesize into simple, let's understand what is an adverb. Let's begin. An adverb is a word that modifies and qualifies an adjective, verb, or another adverb. And not only this, but a word of group expressing a relation of place, time, manner, cause, and degree. Now I make you understand in detail how does it work. Actually, in simple words, an adverb adds something to the sense of a verb, adjective, or adverb. I mean, you say tell some quality about these three words, adjective, verb, or another adverb. And these may be phrases. What is phrase? Phrase is an adverb in more than one words. If it is in a single word, that is called adverb. If it is in more than one words, it is called phrase. That's why if any phrase or group of words is working like an adverb, it will be called an adverb phrase. Now let's understand. If these words are related to place, time, manner, cause, or degree, etc. Students, this was the definition and understanding about adverb and adverb phrase. Now let's see how we can identify all these. You can identify very easily by using these four question words. First is when, how, where, and why. When, yesterday, 2 days ago. Yesterday in a single word, that's why we can say it is an adverb. 2 days ago is in more than two words, that's why we can say it's an adverb phrase. And now how shows you manner. Manner you will come to know the group of these words in a polite manner or slowly. Slowly is written in a single word, that's why it will be adverb. And in a polite manner is in more than one word, that's why it will be called a phrase, adverb or adverbial phrase. Now third is there, Lucknow, here, there, in India, it says something about the place. Now let's come to the fourth, that is why. Why will give you answer in form of, because of, on account of, for want of. These three phrases are there. Students, you have more than two or three sentences when you are given in question to combine these sentences into simple. Now I give you a tips how to combine those sentences into simple sentence. You first identify which sentence you are going to use with verb. Other than this, you see, according to these questions, because you are going to simplify them with adverb and adverb phrase, then you ask question when, and you underline that part, and then you can put question on any of these four question words and you put underline. Because you are given two or more than two sentences, then we will sometimes we change a verb into adverb, we change an adjective into adverb, and we have to learn this nominalization. Students, let's begin how we can identify and how we synthesize one or two or three sentences into one simple sentence. Example is, he studied hard, he did a few days ago, the reason was his exams. He studied hard, verb 1. He did it a few days ago, verb 2. And the reason was is verb 3. Now we will keep only one main verb or one verb in our sentence, and rest of the parts will be taken as adverb or adverb phrase form only. In this way I write he studied hard. He studied hard. Now a few days ago is the answer of when. Okay, he is common, did is common, did is equal to studied. A few days ago is a new information, that's why I will take this information only. This is written in more than one word, that's why it is an adverb phrase. And in the third part, the reason will be denoted by because of, on account of, or want of. And you will use a few days ago. A few days ago is an adverb. Now we come to the part 3. The reason was his exams. Now exams is the third part. Let's combine it. He studied hard because of his exams a few days ago. It means I wrote one entire sentence, and from second and third sentence I sort some information, pieces of information given, and I didn't take any verb. In this way I used only one subject and predicate, and I used two adverbs from different sentences. This is called simple sentence by using adverb or adverb phrase. Students, I hope you have gone through this lecture very well and you come to know how we can synthesize a sentence by using adverb or adverb phrase. In part 2 we will learn how we can use more than 2 or 3 sentences into simple sentences with other examples, and I hope you will see this video certainly. Students, if you like this video, please like, share and comment, and if you have any question related to this lecture you can ask. We'll try to give you satisfactory answers. So please subscribe my channel RSC Classes of English Language and keep on watching. Thanks.